Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 9 to the power x is equal to 36. We have given 9 to the power x is equal to 36. Or at first, taking log to both sides, we can write here log of 9 power x is equal to log of 36. Or we know this formula log of a power b is equal to b log of a. We know this formula, so here we can apply this formula. We can write here x log of 9 is equal to log of 36. We need the value of x, so here both sides divided by log of 9, so we can write here x log of 9 over log of 9 is equal to log of 36 over log of 9. This log of 9 cancel out this log of 9, so x is equal to, here we can write log of 9 times 4, because 9 times 4 are same as 36 over log of 9. Or x is equal to, here we can use another formula. The formula is log of AB is equal to log of A plus log of B. Apply this formula here, we can write log of 9 plus log of 4 over log of 9 is equal to log of 9 over log of 9 plus log of 4 over log of 9 is equal to log of 9 over log of 9 is equal to 1 plus, here we can write log of 2 square, because 2 square are same as 4, over, here we can write log of 3 square, because 3 square are same as 9 is equal to 1 plus, here we can use this formula again, so here we can write 2 log of 2 over 2 log of 3. This 2 cancel out this 2, so it will be remaining log of 2 over log of 3 on plus log of 2 over log of 3 is equal to 1 plus, here we can use calculator. The approximate value of log of 2 is equal to 0.3010 over the approximate value of log of 3 is equal to 0.4771 is equal to 1 plus 0.3010 over 0.4771 is equal to 0.6309. So the value of x is equal to 1 plus 0.6309 is equal to 1.6309. So this is the value of x. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.